Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah. Time to do neutral and simple home decor piece. This says, don't give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. I love it. It totally is me, right? It's hilarious. Okay, so I have this great box frame painted white on the inside. This is the way it comes. We're gonna write back on the backer sheet, and I'm going to wax the front of this because it's a wooden painted piece, and before you lay your sticky transfer on it, you want to make sure there's a nice light smooth covering of surface wax. You can get that surface wax right from my online shop. Now the transfer, this is a silkscreen stencil, you guys. I'm just going to pop it up kind of towards the top, and I'm going to do some very neutral colors. We have our storm, which is a gray, and our black velvet, which of course is black. I'm going to use our big 4-inch squeegee for this one. All I do is put a little bit on there of the chalk paste, and look at how quick, simple, and easy. I'm so sorry, that truck just drove by. And now we're gonna do black at the bottom to make that keep sleeping stand out. And our chalking will be done. Of course, I'm just scraping it through the silk screen, easy peasy. Peel off that transfer. Oh, look how awesome. Now we're gonna dry it. If you are new, go ahead and comment VIP for more information, or type sample in the comments if you'd like to try it out. Once this is completely dry, I will go ahead and do a little bit embellishing, just some simple jute. I love to add a little bit of stuff here and there. See, I got some chalk on me. Don't worry, that washes right out with water. So I've got lots of jute, and I'm just going to wind it up so that there are 4 strands, and I'm tying them together. I'm going to trim it off, and then I'm going to unwind each little bit of jute so that it's a little bit frayed at the ends. I love that look. It's super simple, and you can always change it out if you wanted to change this decor after a little while. If you get sick of it, you can use the back, or you can wash off the front and kind of sand it down and make it white again. Okay, you guys, CreativeSarah.com for more information. Thanks for watching.